Step-by-step guide, how to grow sprouts safely at home. Ready to grow your own nutritious sprouts at home? Let's walk through the complete process to ensure every batch is safe and delicious. First things first, you'll need to disinfect your sprouting seeds. The US FDA recommends sanitizing seeds before doing anything else to reduce contamination risks. You have several disinfection options to choose from. Apple cider vinegar and white distilled vinegar are popular choices. Hydrogen peroxide and calcium hypochlorite also work well. But here's an important warning: avoid using vinegar on broccoli seeds. Vinegar can damage broccoli seeds and prevent good germination. For broccoli seeds, stick with hydrogen peroxide or calcium hypochlorite instead. Pay close attention to soak time when disinfecting any seeds. Soaking too long or using too much solution can harm germination rates. Now let's talk about preparing your sprouting container. Before planting, soak your glass container in hot water with a splash of bleach for a few minutes. Rinse thoroughly to remove any lingering bacteria. When it comes to water, quality matters. Use filtered, bottled, or distilled water for soaking and rinsing your seeds. Tap water can introduce contaminants and bacteria you want to avoid. While your sprouts are growing, watch for standing water in your container. Standing water creates the perfect environment for harmful bacteria to thrive. Always empty any standing water you notice. Once your sprouts are ready to harvest, store them in a cool, dry location. Your fridge is the ideal spot to keep harvested sprouts fresh. After washing your sprouts, make sure to dry them completely. Putting damp sprouts straight into your fridge means they'll spoil faster. Air drying helps extend their shelf life safely. The CDC recommends cooking sprouts before eating. Cooking kills any lingering germs or bacteria and sharply reduces your risk of food poisoning. Finally, eat your sprouts within a few days of harvesting for maximum flavor and freshness. Follow these steps and you'll enjoy fresh, safe, homegrown sprouts every time. For more detailed information on seed disinfection methods, visit naturegyms.com.